Hey moguls, it's Dr. T here, and I'm coming to you with another mogul upgrade so you can mogul on up into your higher mogul reality, create your amazing transformative empires and dynasties, help transform society and elevate humanity, and leave an amazing lasting legacy, and having your contribution actually really be noted in the record books of reality. So, our focus today to help you mogul on up is about building a reality that will actually reprogram you, which is really exciting and very efficient. So, as a reminder, moguls, I'm Dr. Tracy Thomas. I am the mogul reality maker, and I am a quantum transformation advisor, helping leaders transform into top moguls in a rapidly changing reality field, and where rapid transformation is really the number one strategy and an essential critical aspect of literally making it into the new era of humanity, and actually ending up in an awesome position, leading and thriving and becoming a sovereign in the new world that's being created. So let's start by talking about how you stop just surviving in all the programming that was taught to you by the enslaving power structure, and instead where you start creating a reality that actually upgrades you from the inside out. And this is phenomenal, okay? Because most people are trying to escape reality, right? And they are subconsciously recreating it by trying to escape it, right? So people are in the low survival reality, the one where you got enslaved into slave school, enslaved into having just a job and being a cog in a wheel, effectively having someone own you, own your time, own your life, and put you in a cage, basically. And so people want to escape it. So what do? They give you things to be addicted to, so you will escape it but not leave it, and only have temporary relief, right? So most people are just trying to escape reality. But the truth is, it will never work, because you will literally come to after you drank your wine and ate your crap and, done your drugs and whatever addictions and bought out the store, and reality will resume. And the truth is, the only way through it is to create a reality that will literally transform you and reprogram you into your higher self. So let's walk through this upgrade, moguls. Very importantly, first we have to recognize the feedback loop that we're in. And we have to just get that your current reality is a direct result of your programming that was done to you in a controlling manipulation of you, telling you you're free when you are in a cage. Okay? And it is a direct result of your frequency creating your level of material reality. And if you don't change the frequency, you cannot change the reality. And you will just repeat the loop, because guess what? You are stuck in one level of reality, so you will keep re-experiencing it until you raise your frequency in very important strategies. You will then rise into another frequency, and you won't be in a loop. You will be in an ascension that keeps going up and up and getting easier and better and better. That's what the higher frequency fields do. They keep elevating you higher in an attractor field, where the lower frequency fields keep you stuck in the same one and lower you down as they literally extract out of you. That's what the lower frequency fields do. They are extractor fields, and that's why you keep getting extracted from. And the higher frequency fields are attractor fields, which keep bringing things to you, elevating you, and making life easier and easier for you. And that's why no amount of hard work will get you up in the frequency field you want to be in. You actually have to learn how to do that. And you have to be able to create, design, and create your reality field. Know how to do that. Learn how to do that, which is what we do for our clients. You have to then create your life around your highest intentions, your biggest ambitions, the absolute most highest, majorly ambitious intentions And you have to absolutely live in those, inhabit those, embody those, and let your space, schedule, and relationships finally begin to reflect that reality and the future you. It's just essential, moguls. The next thing you got to do, you got to make sure you immerse and merge with that higher reality, that higher intentional reality you're creating. Obsess about it. Live inside of your next level life now. That absolute connection to it will create a higher frequency. The more you're in that higher reality and you're there right now, right? It's not, don't even think about it as the future, by the way. This is important. I'm glad I caught this. Think about it as you're right now. You are literally in it. You're letting it come into you. You're letting it inhabit you. That frequency begins to alter your biology, your chemistry, your brain, and your overall results of your reality. You're here to become the channel of this reality. You don't just work on this new reality. You don't even just create it. The truth is, as you let it in, it creates you. And your own creation becomes your new operating system. It is the transformation of you. So your important mogul move is key here. You're going to comment in the comment section, I am living inside my next level reality now. Claim it, anchor it, create it. Let the universe know this is your truth. You're literally communicating with the universe. You've got to let it know your intentions. I am living inside my next level reality right now. The other way to immerse and to let the universe know what you want, you like this video, right? You subscribe, you say, I want more of this. I am a yes to this. I am subscribing, which means I'm creating a circuitry to this higher frequency reality, this programming, and this elevation of myself as an operating system and the reality that it can create. That way, we create circuitry between our mogul reality field and you. So you bring it in and you let the mogul reality field and its energy and frequency do the daily upgrading for you. All right, moguls. So a couple other things. You've got your free human design chart. Make sure you know what that is. I would love to see you post that in the comments. Let us know what your human design turned out to be. You can access my best-selling transformational books, and you can look at the International Moguls Club and see what we're up to and see if it might be a fit for you if you want to transform and transcend your current reality and land yourself in a higher reality and a higher level of creativity, and make sure you're well positioned for this new age of technology and what's going to happen to everybody. All right, moguls, check out the new videos. Every video you watch is another upgrade. Stay immersed. Let your new reality program you. And just thanks for moguling up and co-creating together. All right, moguls, we'll see you in the next one. Take care.